Okay, let's start the B main. Got KFPV crossing the line first in the whole shot. Really tight through the ladder on mid-air, just over the hurdle. See who comes over across the line in first. Really
tight.
Close. Resh. There's Smokey, Bo, KFPV, and there's Stoney's cross the line. Really quick.
Yeah, on 5 laps. There's a 4 lap away.
Yep, we're good. Stoney crossing the line in first. He's tucking into first. Rich and KFPV, Bo, and Stoney's in last. Some super quick laps from these guys.
Yeah. Bo doing really well.
Smokey again, still in first place. Got KFPV in second. Rich in third. Bo in fourth. Stoney just crossing the line there. Got Smokey's on his last lap now. Massive lead over KFPV at the minute. Rich crossing the line. Bo on his last lap. Stoner all 5 pilots on their final lap. Smokey's just finished. KPV's finished now. Super quick. Just Bo and Stone.
Nice. Tight race.
Good job, guys. Really tight race.